Hello bro, today I'm going to show you how to do the connection of our electronic pedal controller for the e-bike, for the Boda Boda. This is the device and it has so many wires, but let me show you how to do the installation, okay? The first thing is that there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires, okay? These two is for the power, this for the power, and this is for signal, this is for connecting, controlling the pedal signal. And this is connected to the device signal wire. The device signal wire actually is black. So let me show you how to do the connection. First thing, these 3 wires is from the Boda Boda, from the electronic pedal, okay? The black one, red one, and green one, okay? They are all well connected, but because we want to do the installation, before installation, what you need to do is you need to power the device off and do some like wiring first. First, you need to disconnect this green wire. It's a signal wire from the Boda Boda electronic pedal. Okay, this is the black wire, this red wire, this ground, this is positive, and we need to pair it. Okay, we need to pair it. Connect the red wire to this place. Yeah, to get the power supplied. To hook it. Hook the other one to be here. The green wire is control wire connected to the device black wire, which is when it's not overspeeding is 12 volt, but when it's overspeeding it is 0 volt for controlling the signal. Okay, and these two in and out. Actually, this is the place you need to find out where is the ECU. This is in, this is out. Okay, what you need to do, you need to try. The first thing you can try if this is in or this is out. You can try like this, connect it. Connect it. And then try to accelerate. If it's limiting or not, this is the thing you are going to try. Okay, the connection is okay now. Oh wait, this one needs to hook well. The connection is okay now, but if it's not limiting well, what you need to do, you need to change the yellow one to this one, and to change the brown one to this side. Okay, if it's not working. That's it. Thank you.